Sky Reflection. So today we're at Sharky Plaza, as you can see. So there's a bunch of toys on clearance, and I'm ready to go get them. So this is gonna be a good video, guys, because there's a bunch of toys. And if you live close to it at Sharky Plaza, you should definitely come over here and get it.
Oh yeah.
None of them is sold out soon.
Okay, you ready? Okay, come here, we gotta get a cart. Alright. Hi, how are you?
They have these.
Yeah, we're not getting that. Let's go find the toys. Where's the toys at?
Toys have been moved, all the cars and trucks and stuff have all been moved on this center area over here.
Okay, thank you. Alright, dude. Oh my gosh, those army bears are cool. Oh, I love those.
Me too.
Look, they have all their little stuff on clearance.
It is. It's really good though. Alright guys, let's go find them.
Oh, oh, yeah, little nesting balls. Okay, they're right over here, dude. Okay, let's go. Huh? Here. Oh, they're right here. Look, I found them.
Ooh, awesome! Look guys, they have a really cool boat. Well, I have a cool one, but this one's even cooler.
Look, there's like a chicken coop. Look, there's a big tractor.
I know.
Oh, look, there's a guy with a camper and
So a
stuff.
bunch of this, so we can buy a bunch of boats. Can we? We can, right? We can buy a
Yeah.
bunch of this, right?
Talk to it.
So guys, I think we can buy a bunch of this dust. Because apparently it's on clearance. Meow.
Look, these ones are cool.
Yeah. Pretty cool. I don't want it. Oh, look at this, guys.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like that one.
I need it.
Okay. Look, there's a little four-wheeler and guy. Oh, look, there's one for girls.
Look, guys. Look.
What? Oh, you can have one of those, except for it's the big one.
No, because look, it has a grabber. My other one doesn't have.
Yeah, it does.
Not my real giant one, but I had one that just tells me.
Oh, look.
So this has like,
Look, there's a razor one right there.
So-
And look, that guy's in all camo, too.
yeah, so this comes with all like crappie.
Crappie?
Yeah, crappie and all of that. And that's a catfish.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and look, that's a really cool one. I never see that.
Should we get that set?
I think, oh, and look,
Yep, there's the motor
I
for
think
it, huh?
there's a Shawnee motor. Oh yeah, that has a shot. And fishing. Alright guys. I'm really excited guys because I can buy some toys.
Okay, let's look here, Dylan. What are these other sides? Oh, you have the tree stand. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Alright.
Oh look, they have a camel one of these.
Oh, yeah, that's cool, huh?
Should we buy that one?
Yeah?
Alright.
Okay,
Alright guys, so we
Which
got
one do you
one
guys
camel
like?
one.
let's get that one. We don't have one like that. Nope. You already have the big one. You already have a big one of those.
No, I want this one.
No, we'll wait on that one, hon.
Okay.
Let's see. Look. Dylan, look at these ones. Look, there's some plants.
What one was that?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, I don't like these kind of sets.
Boy, that one's cool. You can milk some cows. We should get that one, because you can milk cows. Look.
Oh, cool.
Okay? You like?
I really want this too.
And
Whoa, we need this.
you need that?
Yeah.
All right.
And plus I have my falconry set.
Yeah, you have your falconry set, huh?
Yeah. So that was
Alright, so this one's good then?
Oh, look, it says try me out. Buy that one. I've been wanting that. Actually, don't. Look, that one. That one. That
Yeah, that one's cool.
Can you give me? Can you buy it?
That's a Kubota. That's the stuff your dad uses, huh?
Can you get it?
What is this? Oh, it's a baler for hay.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Let
Here.
me see it.
You got it? Here.
Oh, this machine.
Set it. Here you go. There you go. That's here, right on top there. Hear it? Look. Oh, there's already lights.
What's on here, guys?
Yeah, that's a pretty cool set too.
Yeah, and look that. Look at that. Oh, and look, they have a little lawnmower.
Yep, a little
Oh, and
lawnmower.
look, guys. Let's see what's behind it. That. That's awesome.
Dylan, look at this set.
Give me just.
Would you rather have this little set right here than that big tractor with the baler? Would you rather have a little one with 2 trailers and then you got what? There's some hay back there and a grain.
But look, on there it has a duper, so I'd rather have that one.
You want that set instead of this one?
Look, drone.
Yeah, there's a drone.
Is
There's
that
another
on
teddy bear. Huh?
Is that one on sale?
Yeah.
Should we buy that?
No, we're not gonna do it.
I don't want it anyways.
Okay, should we go get some dog food now?
Hey guys, what the heck is that?
Oh, it's a watch that turns into, oh, this is cool. Look, you guys, it's a watch. And then it turns into a little dog.
Cool.
That's funny, huh? It's an RC one. Oh, and there's a red one.
That's for girls, guys. Oh, I'm on a rifle. Is there a boy one?
Nope, they're both girl ones.
Oh man, I really wanted one.
Okay. Tom, get ready for an unboxing video. We're gonna go grab some dog food.
Wait, Mama.
What?
Do you think we should buy one of these?
No, you already got a big tractor over here.
No, like a real. But I want one of these. I really want.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Alright, guys. Oh, should we buy this, guys? Should we just?
Well, we already have a big chicken set, so we don't need this one, because look.
No, because look.
What? Yeah. That's a smaller truck.
But can we get it, please? Please, Mama?
No, we already got the other chicken coop.
No hurt feelings, right?
Yeah. Alright, Tom, get ready for unboxing video.
Get ready for an unboxing video, guys.
See you soon, huh?
See you soon.